Hi, Jason here with Clore Automotive, and today I want to share with you guys a 12-volt lithium jump starter from Jump and Carry, model number JNC318. This jump starter packs a punch with 700 peak amps and 330 start assist amps, so it can handle most V8 vehicles. It comes with smart clamps, reverse polarity protection, short circuit protection, and backfeed protection. The unit can also serve as a power supply. It comes with two 2.1 amp USB ports, so you can charge your devices like your phone, iPad, or laptop. It also features a 12-volt port and female adapter to power 12-volt accessories. And lastly, the best feature of this unit, it can jumpstart in extreme temperatures. Using the preheat function, it will jumpstart in temperatures as low as negative 22 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes with a built-in flashlight, AC charging cord, a female 12-volt adapter, a storage case, and a repair service coupon for a one-time fixed-fee repair after the warranty period has expired. If you're on the road and need a portable, lightweight jump starter that provides dependable power, you need the Jump and Carry JNC318.